It's the Refined Reseller. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Item specifics, a kind of necessary evil that you must do if you plan to be a successful eBay seller. There are some issues that are popping up with item specifics in certain categories. In this video, I show you how to fix them. So check it out. Are you frustrated with all of the item specifics that you must fill out when listing an item? Well, I am, but I know it's something that I must do to be the best eBay seller I can possibly be. Now, I recently started selling comic books and trading cards. Now, in the comic book and trading card category, there are three item specifics that I am having an issue with. And those three are grading, the grading company, and the certification number. I do not have my comic books or my trading cards graded. So what am I supposed to do? Well, let's go to my eBay Seller Hub and I'll show you the solution. But first, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I am on my eBay Seller Hub, and as you can see, I have 18 items that I need to add recommended item specifics. So I'm going to click this, and it's going to show me exactly what 18 items I have that I need to add recommended item specifics to. And I know before clicking it, they are all comic books, and here they are. Each of these comic books are requiring 3 recommended item specifics. So let's go ahead and see what I need to fill out. So as I scroll down, you can see here that I need to fill out the grade, what the grade of the item is. I need to list who graded the comic book, certified guarantee company, comic book certification service, or professional grading experts. And I also need to put in the grading certification number. Now, the issue is none of my comic books are graded and neither are my trading cards. So I have no grade to give it. I can't just guess. This is for professional grading. There was no professional grader, and of course there is no certification number. So what do I do? So what I have chosen to do is to click this box right here, and it says don't remind me about these recommendations again. So I'm going to click this right here and I'm going to save it. And now, as you can see, that was taken care of, and I only have 17 left. But my question is, if I click that box, is it going to have an effect on how much exposure that listing is given? So what did I do? I called eBay. So fortunately, eBay called me back within about a minute, and I specifically asked what would happen if I click that box that says, please do not ask about these recommendations again. I was afraid my listing would not get as much exposure as if I would have filled out those 3 fields. So what they told me was this: it's okay to click that box, but if you do, be aware that people who are specifically searching for a graded card will not be shown your listing. That makes a lot of sense to me. Whenever you are searching for an eBay item, there are a bunch of fields on the left-hand side that you can click, like if the item is used, if the item is blue, or whatever. So if a person was searching for my comic book and they clicked graded, my comic book would not show up. Makes sense? Well, it makes a lot of sense to me. So I was kind of relieved with that. So it is okay to click that box, but just know that people who are specifically searching for a graded comic book or a graded trading card will not be shown your listing because those fields are not filled in. Now that I know it's okay to click that box and I know that my items will not be seen by people who are specifically looking for graded comic books, I can go ahead and fix all of these. So what I did is I clicked right here. It says actions. If you click this, it will select all 17. I couldn't find a way to do all of them at once, so I'm going to have to do them individually. So I have to click add item specifics right here. Then I need to scroll down to where it says, don't remind me about these recommendations again. I'm going to click this and I'm going to click save and next. And so here's the next one that comes up. I'm scroll down again and click don't remind me about these recommendations again. Click save and next. then the next one will come up, and I think you get the idea of exactly what to do. Of course, I'm going to have to do this 17 times because, again, I could not figure out a way to do all 17 at one time. I tried it and it didn't seem to work like I thought it would. So if you know how to do that, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will pass that along. So I just continue to click. Don't remind me about these recommendations again. And then when I get done, I am done. So there you have it, a kind of solution to filling in item specifics when you don't really have those item specifics pertaining to the item that you are listing. I really do hope you learned something from watching this video. If you did, please take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. This is the Refined Reseller saying, as always, do like me, buy low, sell high, good sourcing, good selling, and I'll see you next time.